Discover peppermint, nature's refreshing remedy. Welcome to a deep dive into peppermint, the herb that's more than just a flavor. Here are the top 10 science-backed ways peppermint can boost your well-being, each paired with a practical recipe or tip you can use right away. 1. Soothe indigestion and bloating. Peppermint contains compounds that relax the muscles of your digestive tract and stimulate bile flow, helping your body break down fats and move food smoothly through your system. Clinical studies show peppermint tea and oil can significantly reduce symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Here's a great recipe to use. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of peppermint leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. Sip slowly after meals for relief. 2. Relieve headaches and muscle tension. Peppermint oil, rich in menthol, cools the skin and relaxes muscles, providing fast relief from tension, headaches, and sore muscles. Research shows topical peppermint oil can reduce headache intensity and duration, sometimes as effectively as over-the-counter pain relievers. Try this. Mix a few drops of peppermint essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond, and gently massage onto your temples, forehead, neck, or sore muscles. 3. Freshen breath and support oral health. Peppermint's antibacterial properties help fight odor-causing germs, while its aroma masks unpleasant smells. Studies confirm peppermint oil is a common ingredient in natural mouthwashes and toothpaste for its breath-freshening effects. Quick tip: chew a few fresh peppermint leaves after meals or add them to your water bottle for all-day freshness. 4. Ease nausea and motion sickness. Peppermint has a calming effect on the stomach muscles and nerves, reducing feelings of nausea. Research supports peppermint's effectiveness in reducing nausea, especially after surgery or during pregnancy, always after doctor approval. And here's a simple remedy. Sip peppermint tea or inhale a few drops of peppermint oil from a tissue as needed. 5. Boost mental focus and energy. The invigorating scent of peppermint stimulates the brain, boosting alertness and memory without the crash of caffeine. Studies show peppermint aroma can enhance cognitive performance and reduce mental fatigue. For a quick boost, add a few drops of peppermint oil to a diffuser, or simply inhale directly before work or study sessions. 6. Relieve cold, allergy, and sinus symptoms. Peppermint's menthol acts as a natural decongestant, opening airways and clearing mucus during colds or allergies. Menthol can improve airflow in the nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. Try this. Drink hot peppermint tea or add a few drops of oil to a bowl of steaming water and inhale deeply. 7. Support digestive health. Peppermint oil capsules are a proven remedy for irritable bowel syndrome, helping to relax intestinal muscles and reduce pain, bloating, and gas. Multiple clinical trials confirm peppermint oil's effectiveness for IBS symptoms. Take enteric-coated peppermint oil capsules as directed by a healthcare provider. 8. Soothe skin irritations and itch. Peppermint oil's cooling effect can calm itchy, inflamed, or sunburned skin. Scientific studies show peppermint oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that benefit irritated skin. For relief, mix a few drops of diluted peppermint oil with aloe vera gel and apply gently to affected areas. 9. Repel insects naturally. Peppermint's strong scent naturally repels mosquitoes, ants, and spiders. Science recognizes peppermint oil as an effective, eco-friendly insect repellent. Mix 10 drops of peppermint oil with water in a spray bottle and spritz around doorways, windows, and outdoor seating. 10. The ultimate peppermint ginger digestive tea. Both peppermint and ginger have been shown to support digestion, reduce nausea, and ease stomach discomfort. Here's a great recipe to use. Add a handful of fresh peppermint leaves and a few slices of ginger root to boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy after meals. Peppermint is more than just a refreshing herb. It's a versatile remedy for digestion, headaches, skin, and beyond. Try these tips and recipes to add a burst of wellness to your daily routine. Next time, we'll discover ginger, the spicy root with legendary anti-inflammatory power.